sudden, things have changed. Stay inside and we will survive. World is in pause, the earth applauds, and we are breathing better. Don't we move? It should improve. Stay at home over the phone. All is so quiet, too quiet, and there is chaos, chaos, chaos outside. Chaos, 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 chaos. Children don't play. It's not okay. The threat is too strong, too strong. Don't get it wrong, and keep your distance from your loved ones, loved ones. Don't we move? It should improve. Stay at home over the phone. All is so quiet, too quiet, and there is chaos, chaos, chaos outside. Chaos, 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 chaos outside.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.